So, hi everyone. I'm joined at the moment by Rob Miller, Director of Customer Services and ICT at Hackney, London Borough of Hackney. Fresh off his talk at the FCI Annual Scientific Conference this morning. A great session. Finding the conference, Rob?
I thought it was really good. I think it's great that despite the huge disruptions of COVID, that things like this are still happening. And I think there's kind of a spirit of trying new things out and getting things done, and not letting unfamiliarity with technology get in our way, which is, I think, really encouraging. I was reflecting with a colleague about how would it have been if this had happened 20, 30 years ago. But no, it's great. And kind of as a speaker, it was really great to have the support and feel I knew what I was doing, despite a slight fumble with screen share on my part. But I've learned a new tool.
It has its advantages as well, and I think it's all been running smoothly. So about kind of decision making based on data.
I think that I really struggle ever to condense something down to one thing, but probably the most important thing in my mind is how many different ways there are that data can help. So the integration of data across health and care has been really important, and the graph which showed the big spike in the amount of the number of times that social care teams were accessing data from our local health partners as part of helping be part of that system to create capacity to care for COVID patients was really impressive. And it shows, I've kind of arrived in Hackney with a lot of that work kind of long way down the line, and other people have led and been the vision for that. But that was a really inspiring example of how all of that hard work makes a real difference, and it meant the health system was able to cope. But there's also smaller ad hoc bits of data, and it's bringing people around it, I think, which was really kind of another really important part. And learning through the data, the way that with our food service, we were able to kind of stand it up, adapt to needs very, very quickly. And then as other ways to support people came available, or sustainable support began to become available from the community sector, in the space of 6 months, we've gone from nothing to running a food delivery service that's delivered 22,000 parcels, to running a facilitative service which helps people access priority supermarket slots and find food support.
It is amazing what's been achieved in such a short time, and I'm actually based in Hackney as well, so I can see some of this firsthand. It is pretty incredible. So
it's making the long-term investments. We couldn't have done what we did if it hadn't been something the council had identified and committed to as a priority for well over 10. Anyone with stuff they'd like to discuss in more detail, or ideas they've got for ways that we could kind of continue to build on it, really.
Thanks again, Rob, for participating and for a great session.
Fantastic, great pleasure.